our next speaker, he will be talking about unlocking your potential in e-commerce. And without further ado, this is Emanuel Rian, Customer Engineer GCP from Google Cloud Indonesia.
Right. Can everybody hear my voice?
Yes, crystal clear.
Sure. Let me share my screen. All right. So good afternoon, everybody. My name is Emanuel Rian, as the Customer Engineer of Google Cloud Indonesia. As a little overview of me, I'm the solution architect focusing on both traditional enterprise and cloud-native organization moving to the cloud itself, with broad range of type of industries, including not limited to e-commerce, retail, financial industry, and so on. And today, I'm very excited to share on how new Google Cloud Platform can help to unlock our e-commerce customers a fully potential on so good your e-commerce. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, as we all may know, that COVID-19 has changed everything globally to ourselves and to our customers. It has been more than a year here in Indonesia, and during the pandemic itself, everything was gradually changed. Things to mention is that customer buying behaviors have changed rapidly and are expected to continue to shift. These key trends also include reduced spending, focus on value-based product, digital commerce. Thus, the e-commerce platform suddenly become the new way of shopping. This acceleration is also come with some faltering in the short term due to COVID-19, like grocery, mass, e-commerce, seeing unprecedented sales while restaurants, apparel, and household sellers losing due to demand, labor, and cash shortage. The other trends that we unpredictable shifts that also included but not limited to is that your home is now the center of the consumption. Brands will need to find a way to engage with customers for increased time at home. With so many ways of shopping also, value-based purchasing become important with consumer optioning to buy in bulk via subscription services or etc. to drive the maximization of the value of their purchases. The enhanced technology-driven in-store experience will also start to collide with those omni-channel shopping in place. Shoppers who will opt for more experiential spaces, such as AR or VR, and retailers that offers them a higher degree of safety and community. And that's where we came to realize during this pandemic on how we can help to accelerate all organizations to digitally transforming their business into more agile and rapidly adapt to this situation. GCP was named #1 of cloud service provider for the retail sector according to market research firm Canalys. That is because in Google Cloud, we also help our retail and commerce customers perform at its best when we are partnering together with them to assist their roadmap and enhancement, as we have one of top priority verticals that we are rallying our team around the globe. And specifically in Google Cloud Indonesia, we have local teams here to help you grow your business like every of our customers worldwide. Today, more than thousands customers have already decided to move to Google Cloud. Specifically in retail and e-commerce platform, we have had outstanding success with large global retailers in every industry as they embark in their digital journey transformation journeys. And here are some of the names that already successfully transforming their business, and including guess who? SIRCLO itself. These customers, by leveraging partnership with Google, benefit from a cloud platform, that is strategically aligned to the industry, with executive coming from deep retail industry backgrounds driving decisions and solutions. The cloud of Google's also best in class in AI and ML expertise and engineering power, such as recommendation AI and demand forecasting. Lastly, By using our Google Cloud, we bring the best of all of our Google products combined that retailers can get access to the same technology and infrastructure that powers no less than 9 platforms that are used by 1 billion or more users. Name it Google Search, YouTube, Maps, Ads, etc., with all the infrastructure and security provided. We use the same infrastructure, experiences, and expertise since Google Days One to support your businesses. And more specifically, let's do not forget about the backend for your commerce to the cloud technology that powers transformation across e-commerce is the retail value chain. Customer expectations are high and disrupting the entire retail value chain. Not one of two parts of it, but the entire value chain and organization have to reimagine, adapting, and transforming all parts of their businesses in order to stay competitive. In Google Cloud for Retail, we offer a robust set of solutions that enable retailers to quickly take advantage of cloud capabilities for specific use cases, from store operations to merchandising to customer acquisition and retention. Those robust set of solutions will be broken down into several approaches. From our experiences during helping those e-commerce customers, three key areas that we see are helping e-commerce organization excel is including capturing digital and omni-channel revenue growth, and then leveraging data to become increasingly personalized customer-centric, and driving operational improvement across all of the entire business. In the next couple of slides, we're going to discuss further for each of the approaches to leverage your customer experience. Now, e-commerce adoption and expectations have really accelerated, as I mentioned before. Channelless is here to stay. No matter how you want to deny it, consumers want flexibility, choice, convenience, and consistency. It is now more important than ever for retailers to execute a compelling digital strategy. Google Cloud can help boost your e-commerce platform with solutions such like modernization and migration. These solutions enable retailers and e-commerce to move their platforms seamlessly to Google Cloud to take advantage of the reliability, scalability, and flexibility of the platform while also providing them a path to moving to a cloud-native, containerized, or microservices-based architecture that is introduced speed and agility to the platform. As part of the modernization process, retailers can also introduce new solutions and services such as recommendation AI, retail search, vision product search to enhance the entire customer experience around product discovery. Now, due to limited of the time, I'll be focusing more on the e-commerce modernization and recommendation AI, followed by local customer examples. In terms of cloud modernization and migration with Google, it is a journey to be embraced, with benefits like flexibility and rapid scalability, while also maintaining the simplicity of using portable cloud-native applications, such as Magento itself. One of our examples where e-commerce migration and modernization can help e-commerce accelerate faster is SIRCLO itself. Oops, sorry. Right. SIRCLO has a compelling changes to optimize performance and resiliency to ensure a smooth customer experience during times of the heavy web traffic, such as Harbolnas in Indonesia or a Black Friday in United States. They are using our Google Kubernetes engine, and the result was magnificent. GKE can help SIRCLO not just handling the load itself and scale rapidly, but also 50% lowering the instances cost, thus helping in cost efficiency while gaining better performance. Google is also efficiently managed service queuing mechanism on PubSub, also enables SIRCLO to answer customer queries faster, leading to more sales, definitely. And lastly, GKE simple automated procedures and consoles also help to operational teams in eliminating error-related product downtime during deployment. So now the engineers at SIRCLO are more confident and productive in their new product rollouts because it automatically takes care of the recovery when something unexpected happening. Of the area of that most of our retail and e-commerce customers are also looking is product recommendations. And as customer experience become an essential business differentiator for each of the commerce, retailers are currently trying to engage customer more meaningfully by turning to AI platform. Nowadays, much of more organizations are already investing in AI to increase personalizations. But delivering recommendations at scale can be complex. Retailers must manage many SKUs, customer actions, unstructured data, and channels also. Understanding omnichannel consumer behavior presents a new challenge, and that is why we developed a recommendation AI. A recommendation AI by default enables retailers to deliver high personalized product recommendation at scale using our world-class machine learning model. Recommendation AIs can also dynamically adapt to real-time customer behaviors and change in variables like assortment, pricing, and special offer. As you can see in the screen, Hannes Brands is one of our customers who already use recommendation AI for their portfolio sites. Now, since COVID-19, the growth of e-commerce and online shopping has grown tremendously, shifting into new digital transformation initiatives in the retail industries. And however, retailers are struggling to unlock the data-driven insights with their traditional data warehouses that are melting under the ground. These legacy systems lack the capabilities to generate real-time, predictive insights and address today's analytics demands. That's why customer-centric data-driven in retail is very, very important. And in Google, we see data at the center of the transformation. Yet, access to real-time information can be challenging for retailers to obtain. Being well known for its data analytics in cloud we can help you to bring all your data together and extract rich insights from it in order to better understand the shopping journey, perhaps predict market outcomes, and personalize customer experience through omnichannel, while giving your board level a business visibility of the enterprise-wise. And that's where I say BigQuery comes in. BigQuery is a Google Cloud's product with highly scalable enterprise data warehouse solution. It offers real-time insights from streaming data. It has built-in machine learning and has a high-speed in-memory BI business intelligence engine for faster reporting and analysis. Your data is in terabyte? Fine. Your data in petabyte? We can do it in seconds. Customers use BigQuery to connect data from silos across the organization into one platform to accommodate the issues and the challenges that we discussed previously. By unifying the data, retailers can perform omnichannel insights and end-to-end business intelligence. BigQuery is also a platform that's simple and intuitive enough for a non-engineers. Take again as SIRCLO. When SIRCLO moved to our lovely BigQuery, it is so intuitive that their non-engineers can perform queries and run analysis on it. That's great, because it enables their engineers to focus on development projects without getting called in to run queries for other teams, which can be disruptive for their own work. And that's what BigQuery is intended to do. And number 3, while you can also deliver compelling customer experience and all-aspect confirmation across your organization by leveraging Google Cloud's operational solutions, operational improvement is also, in terms of cost and existing work optimization, is also important. Customer can leverage automate customer support and enhance services with business message, CC, contact center AI, and RRVA. It reduces operational costs and accelerates business and technology operations with solutions such as SAP and GCP, our multi-cloud solution Antos, via migration. And if you are already a traditional enterprise or traditional commerce, you can also use our VMware as a services. Strengthen employee collaborations and build a culture of innovations with workforce transformation solutions such as Google Workspace and Google Meet. When your e-commerce user expands, definitely supporting your customer is very, very important. Contact centers are struggling to keep up with rising customer expectations. Solutions are expensive and time-consuming to set up and run and also have technical limitations like static IP and robotic pre-recorded voice recordings, which can result in poor customer satisfaction. Thus, your customer may leave your e-commerce platform. This can be devastating to a business, with many retail consumers considering switching to a competitor after a single instance of your poor services. That comes the contact center AI, where it can be expanded beyond the call center use case to the customer service desk inside stores. Customers may call local stores where all my orders, operating hours, return information, and etc. And contact center AI can assist in helping them. Right? SIRCLO is also one of it. Combine uses with Dialogflow, part of contact center AI, to ensure that customers' questions on products are answered quickly and accurately. They use Dialogflow to gain the advantage of natural language programming to understand all of the different ways a customer can ask one type of question and serve it to the correct response. And also worth to note is that the workforce transformation, as I mentioned before, is also really, really important to optimize your manual works. We have Google Workspace as a solution to maintain productivity with a variety of collaboration solutions that can integrate with other Google services outside of Workspace. Imagine if we were talking about BigQuery, we can also integrate them with Google Sheets. With Meet, team can also virtually collaborate with each other with secure, powerful, and video conferencing, thus optimizing all the unneeded courses that you are currently using uh, for collaboration. All right, Mr. Rian, that's very cool. So where do I start if I want to move my e-commerce platform to Google Cloud Platform? So first, start with a deep breath, and I really mean it. Try to define your goals and align with what you need. Then, obviously, you can contact me to discuss regarding these three approaches. Because some of our customers are still traditional commerce and retailers, fine. Track one, we slowly help them adapting to cloud and more conservatively migrating to cloud. Or track two, you're already familiar with cloud technology. That is great also. You can try to expanding our services to simplify and automate our e-commerce platform management. Trying our surrounding services as a one Google is also suggested. Or you can also use track number three. Oh, so you already use Google Cloud. Fantastic. We can move on to modernization to integrate and more cost optimizing your e-commerce platform. So you can focusing more on your business and gain business insight and expanding more to discover more customers. And again, we understand that the journey to the cloud can represent a massive changes for any retailers. Cloud is not just about technology. It is a fundamentally new paradigm that places human creativity and ingenuity at the heart of the modern enterprise. And so, to thrive in this new paradigm, your journey to the cloud is about both the technology itself and also the people the processes that form the fabric of your organizations. There is a reason why 7 out of the 10 largest retailers that I provided earlier use Google Cloud as part of their business transformation. At Google Cloud, we've built an expertise services team that deeply understands the nuances of leading people, process, and technology through the cloud transformation journey. Our cloud services team will also help you accelerate and de-risk your journey. The best of all, we already have local presence. Our account team that have deep retail experience are ready to help you to create a custom journey to the cloud based on your current state and retail-based expertise. So, to summarize all of my slides today, in conclusion, these are our customer says by moving to our Google Cloud. First, moving to cloud enable exceptional digital experiences during peak shopping periods without sacrificing performance or reliability and only pay for what you use, instead of to invest heavily investing in the very beginning. Next, our advanced embedded artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities that I was explaining can help you optimize product assortment, improve your supply chains, and drive customer loyalty across the retail value chain. Our advanced AI and ML capabilities and expertise can also help to optimize and activate value in P&L. In terms of the security, we offer industry-leading controls to prevent unauthorized access to your data, plus preventing unauthorized access to your customers' data. Then that's very important nowadays. With all the COVID-19, the all of the security attack are also is coming. Also, Google has our proven history in our open sourceness with our products in Kubernetes, TensorFlow, Maps, and so on, Android, and you name it. We will continue that with our multi-cloud and open source solutions to protect your business from vendor and technical lock-in, so you don't have to worry when you are moving to Google Cloud. Next, as I mentioned, we are also bringing the integration seamlessly with all of Google services, such as YouTube, Shopping, GPay, Google Assistant, Maps, to better really serve your customers online and in store, while increasing engagement on conversions. Those definitely increasing business outcomes and possibilities. Lastly, our e-commerce expertise team comprised of retail experts with leadership experience at top retailers across all the globe and that can help you to deep understand of the technology itself, operations and strategic challenges with the industry and what's needed to solve them. And that's really a wrap here. I really thank you for your time and attention. Really appreciate for all the inputs. If there's any questions, feel free to drop me some email and we are more than happy to discuss with all of you. Back to you, Jen.
Thank you, Ryan. You have a trouble with the video, by the way?
Oh, sorry, come again?
Because okay, now we can see your video. Just now we cannot see your video anyway. But thank you so much for the session. I think lots of people will try to reach you out, and you already shared your email before. Thank you so much for staying with us and sharing at the very last of this session, Ryan.
Thank you very much. You're welcome, Dennis. Thank
Have
you
a great
all.
day. Thank you.